of section 2.4 is on parallel and perpendicular lines. Now remember, parallel lines, as you learned in Algebra 1, are two lines that have the same slope. So for example, if I were to give you something that would be the same slope would be 1/2, and I apologize, let's go ahead and try that again, where slope 1 is 1/2 and slope 2 is 3/6, because that would simplify to 1/2. Perpendicular, on the other hand, if you recall, are two lines with slopes that are opposite reciprocals of each other. So an example would be, say, 4 for slope 1, and slope 2 would be -1/4. We took 4, put it over 1 and flipped it, and then made it negative. Now, if we had to match the slopes that are parallel and those that are perpendicular, let's first start with those that are parallel. I'm going to mark them in red. I see that parallel slopes here that we have, 1/3 and 3/9 are going to be parallel slopes because 3/9 simplifies to 1/3. And in looking here, those are the only two that I see that are parallel. Now as for perpendicular, I see 4 and 1/4, because if you flip 4 over, well, you get -1/4 like we had in our example. I also see -2/5 and +5/2 matching up, because if I flip over 2/5, I get -2/5 or -5/2, and then I make it negative, or opposite of what I had originally. 5/3 doesn't have one because 1 and 2/5 would be equal to 7/5, and 7/5 flipped over would be -5/7, so these don't have any matching. Now, to kind of sum up what I just told you, we had a chart that you can find also in your textbook talking about them, that they're defined, the slopes are parallel because they are equal, and slopes of parallel vertical lines are undefined. And a vertical and horizontal line are perpendicular to each other, opposite reciprocal slopes. Then this will be what we will do in the next video, determining whether they are parallel, perpendicular, or neither.